Okay, so here we have it, the GK Tech kit welded in on one side. And here's the top plate. As you can see, it had to be modified. I put a slit here and a slit here, and I had to cut this whole piece off completely. This was made for an S14, S15 subframe. This is a Z32. So it does fit if you're willing to do the modifications. So we laid that right over the MazWorks diff brace as well. It's gonna be very strong, ready for some track use. Gotta do the next side too. So this is what the subframe looks like welded with all the gussets. Little one up here. And here's the big one in the back. Dropped off the subframe, waiting for Automotion to paint that. As we're waiting for that, we're not going to waste any time. We're going to get right back into it. So let's go and show you guys what we're going to work on today. Okay, so back in the car, made another piece like this. Cardboard first. Slide that in there. That's it. That's how it's going to be. I cut two of them, one for each side. Move on with that. Right here we have both of our plates cut out, cleaned up. We're gonna go see how they fit inside the car. Back piece over here. Back with it trimmed off, see how it fits. we have metal top plates. Car's frame starts from the front over here, all the way in the front, works its way through the floor, as you can see right there sticking out, and then all of a sudden we have nothing there. So that's the problem we got to work with today. The previous person who started building this car decided to cut the original frame rail right there and there and just left it like that. So we're gonna have to reconnect those two pieces together, make sure it's nice and sturdy, the way it should be. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this little piece here. Just drill out these spot welds, remove this top piece. Get more access in there. So we got that piece off. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up that surface rust. Luckily it's only surface rust, and start building the new frame rails.